I'm breaking down the TOPDON AD500 OBD2 Scanner, also known as the diag 500, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this tool deserves a spot in your garage or if it's overkill for your needs. Product features. The TOPDON AD500 is way more than a basic code reader. It offers full OBD2 diagnostics plus 4 system diagnostics, which means it can scan engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS. That's huge for DIYers because most cheap scanners only read engine codes. One of my favorite features is the live data display. You can see real-time data streams shown as charts, making it easier to understand what's happening inside your car and even save the data for later. Now let's talk reset functions. The AD500 includes 6 service resets: oil reset, SAS, steering angle sensor, TPMS, BMS, battery management system, EPB, electronic parking brake, and throttle adaptation. This means after doing maintenance like an oil change or brake job, you can reset the system yourself, no shop visit required. It also comes with AutoVIN, which automatically identifies your vehicle, battery voltage testing, and lifetime Wi-Fi free updates, so you're not stuck paying yearly fees. Pros and cons. Pros: 4 system diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, 6 powerful reset functions for real DIY maintenance, large 5-inch touchscreen with physical buttons, supports 67+ car brands and 12 languages, no subscription fees, lifetime updates included. Cons: not a full professional bi-directional scan tool. Some advanced resets may not work on every vehicle. Slight learning curve if you're brand new to scan tools. Overall review. Overall, the TOPDON AD500 hits a sweet spot. It's perfect for DIY mechanics, smart car owners, and even small shop use. If you're tired of guessing, paying diagnostic fees, or relying on cheap scanners, this tool gives you real control over your car's health without breaking the bank. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving car tips, and check out the TOPDON AD500 link in the description. Take control of your car. Don't let your car control your wallet.